Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 puzzle from 1879. Black has the king in the corner with a bishop, pawn, knight and rook. The white king is in another corner with a pair of bishops, rook, queen and knight. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Taking the rook with your rook isn't a checkmate in 2. Black can move out their bishop. You can take back with the queen. Then black can move out their knight. If you take the pawn with your bishop, the king has to take it. And then you can move in with the queen. Eventually you can pin the king against the edge for just a checkmate in 5. Taking the rook with your queen is another checkmate in 5. There are actually no checkmates in 3 or 4 in this one. Black can move out their bishop, so you have to take back with the queen. And then move your rook over. Black then has to move their knight back, because when you do the reveal check with the bishop, black can block with the knight, and then you can take the knight with your rook to checkmate in just 5. Moving your rook to f2 won't get you a checkmate in 2 unless black does something like move out their bishop, because then you can move the queen in to do the mate. Instead, black can take the knight with their rook, and obviously now you can't do that because it's protected by the rook. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to take the pawn with the queen on g7. Black has to take the queen back, and then you can move your rook to b6, doing a reveal checkmate in 2 with the bishop. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.